The digital age is upon us. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented rate. Artificial intelligence is leading this charge, revolutionizing various sectors. Content creation is no exception. Among the leading AI tools are DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. These platforms are empowering creators with unparalleled capabilities. In this essay, we delve into the functionalities of DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. We will explore their strengths and weaknesses. We will examine their utility for video creation. DeepSeek AI emerges as a specialized tool designed to revolutionize the way we create video content. It focuses on video content creation, offering a range of innovative features that cater specifically to the needs of content creators. It offers a suite of features tailored for this purpose, making the video editing process more intuitive and efficient. One of its standout features is the generation of prompts for visuals, which helps creators visualize their ideas more clearly. This includes story ideas, scripts, and shot lists, providing a comprehensive toolkit for planning and executing video projects. It can even suggest music, ensuring that the audio complements the visual elements perfectly. DeepSeek AI streamlines the video creation process, allowing creators to focus more on their creative vision rather than getting bogged down by technical details. It provides a structured framework for creators, making it easier to organize and manage their projects from start to finish. This ensures a cohesive and engaging final product, which is crucial for capturing and retaining the audience's attention. DeepSeek AI's capabilities extend beyond basic scripting, offering advanced options for creating complex and detailed scripts. It can generate detailed visual descriptions, providing creators with a clear roadmap for their video projects. It suggests camera angles and transitions, enhancing the overall visual storytelling. It even assists with background music and sound effects, ensuring that every aspect of the video is polished and professional. This makes it a comprehensive tool for video production, covering all stages from initial concept to final output. Creators can focus on their artistic vision, knowing that the technical aspects are being handled efficiently. DeepSeek AI handles the technical aspects, allowing creators to bring their ideas to life with ease and precision. ChatGPT is a versatile language model designed to assist with a wide range of text-based tasks. It excels in text generation, producing coherent and contextually relevant content. It can create various text formats from casual conversations to formal articles. This includes scripts, articles, and social media posts, making it a valuable tool for content creators. ChatGPT's strength lies in its speed and efficiency, allowing users to generate content quickly. It can generate content in seconds, which is ideal for meeting tight deadlines. This makes it ideal for tasks that require quick turnaround times, such as news articles or social media updates. While ChatGPT can generate scripts, it lacks the video-specific features of DeepSeek AI, which is tailored for video production. It doesn't provide detailed visual descriptions, which are crucial for video editing. It doesn't offer suggestions for camera angles or transitions, leaving these creative decisions to the user. ChatGPT is primarily a text-based tool, excelling in generating written content. It's not specifically designed for video creation, but it remains an invaluable asset for text generation tasks. Section 4, Head-to-Head, DeepSeek AI versus ChatGPT, a comparative analysis. In a head-to-head comparison, DeepSeek AI proves to be superior for video creation. Its advanced algorithms and intuitive interface make it a powerful tool for anyone looking to produce high-quality videos with minimal effort. Its video-specific features give it a clear advantage. From generating detailed timelines to suggesting the perfect video elements, DeepSeek AI streamlines the entire video production process. ChatGPT, while a powerful tool, falls short in this domain. It excels in text generation but lacks the specialized features needed for comprehensive video creation. Let's consider a real-life example. Imagine you're tasked with creating a historical story video. Imagine creating a historical story. DeepSeek AI can generate a script, suggest background music, and provide detailed visual descriptions, making the process seamless and efficient. DeepSeek AI can generate a script, suggest background music, and provide detailed visual descriptions. It even offers annotations to guide you through the editing process. ChatGPT can only generate the script. While it's excellent at crafting engaging narratives, it doesn't offer the additional multimedia support that DeepSeek AI does. DeepSeek AI's focus on video creation makes it the ideal choice for filmmakers, YouTubers, and anyone creating video content. Its comprehensive suite of tools is designed to meet the specific needs of video creators. ChatGPT is better suited for tasks that require text generation, such as writing articles, creating social media posts, or generating ideas. Its strength lies in its ability to produce high-quality text quickly and efficiently. Section 5. Conclusion: choosing the right AI companion for your creative journey. In conclusion, both DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT are powerful AI tools. They each have their strengths and weaknesses. DeepSeek AI excels in video creation. It offers a comprehensive suite of features. ChatGPT is a versatile language model. It excels in text generation. The choice between the two depends on the specific needs of the creator. If video creation is your goal, DeepSeek AI is the clear winner.